So your third chapter that we are going to start today, that is hardware concept. And in hardware concept, this chapter will be there in your internal assessment too. And hardware system, as already when I have asked from Priyanshu, he have explained it that mouse, monitor, CPU, all are hardwares, right? So keeping all these things in the view, from this particular chapter, question can come like, what is hardware? Explain different kinds of hardware. So this is the question which basically come in your exams, right? And then certain explanation like write down two hardware. So you can write two names that can be of 1 mark. Then next question comes that what is a monitor? Explain monitor, that can also be for 1 mark. So it is quite simple chapter which is there in your exam in your book, that is e-business. Your chapter name is hardware concept. The same way the software concept. So firstly we'll be moving with hardware concepts, in which there are you all know it's on your screens. It's mouse, keyboard. What is this? Monitor, CPU. Do we need to explain all these things, or you can have one line question that can be more than sufficient, one line answer you can write. So it's quite a simple chapter, that CPU, then CD, DVD, ROM, digital cameras, scanners, printers, USB ports, headphone port. These all are hardware. Speakers are there. Headphones with microphones, that can be the part of your system, right? So these are some of the hardwares which you need to explain for 1 mark or 2 marks. Or examiner can ask you any two hardwares, you can explain that, right? Then if we talk about next, then so we will be writing up some hardware components, basic hardware components. And Joseph will be helping me out into it. Okay, Joseph?
Okay, ma'am.
Hardware components may will be segregating into what is, that is input,
Yes,
input
ma'am.
devices, and then we'll be moving with output devices, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Output devices. Now, one by one, you will be speaking up. What can I write in input device? What
Ma'am,
can be there?
mouse,
Mouse. Mouse is input device. Then, do I need
keyboard,
to explain it? I don't think so.
No.
Then, what else I can write? Anyone can
keyboard,
contribute. Then,
keyboard,
keyboard. Very right. It's then
ma'am, scanner,
any other? Huh?
scanner, ma'am.
I'm not understanding what you are saying.
Ma'am, scanner.
Scanner is input device. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Bulu bulu.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other? Oh, कहाँ लिख रही हूँ मैं? Scanner. Next. बुक खोल ली है जोसेफ?
Joystick.
Oh, ma'am. मम्मी इतने ही पता है बस.
इतनी पता है. Any other student can add up into
Joystick.
it?
Joystick, ma'am.
Huh?
Joystick.
Joystick. Then I'm writing it. There is a touch screen. जो आपके
Microphone.
इसमें लिखा है touch screen. Then it is written microphone. आपको कोई नहीं समझ आए वैसे? I don't think so that you will be facing any kind of problem. Then microphone is your input device. Then What next? We are having barcode reader. Waiting. 1 second, wait. Barcode reader. Then we have
Pen drive.
हाँ?
Pen drive. Pen drive.
टाइपराइटर बोल रहे हो आप?
Pen drive.
Pen drive input device. Okay, you let me know that. Will you be able to explain this? Otherwise, it comes like this. In your exam, it will be like this. Write any 2 input devices, write any 2 output devices. It will be easy. You need not to explain it. Okay? So, ये हैं आपके input devices. Somehow, some input devices. Then the last one which generally come. वैसे तो यहाँ पर there are 14, 15 scanner, microphone, web camera, barcode reader, webcam भी है देखो. Webcam. Okay. Then there is MICR. Anyone knows about this? Its full form generally comes. Its full forms generally comes. Better just hold on. Okay, this 10th one, that is MICR. Generally, it comes like that. Write the full form of MICR. And what is MICR? That is magnetic ink character recognition. So now we are supposed to go through that. What is this magnetic ink character recognition? Its whole explanation I'll be giving you. That what is it? पहले आप इसकी pic देखना. Then we'll be letting you know that how to. What is it and how we have that recognition of that all the inks, right? Then certain output devices. Anyone knows about some output devices? Beta, output devices. My voice is okay.
Yes, ma'am.
This MICR, that is very, very important. We'll be moving through it. Then output devices कौन से होते हैं? Is it
Monitor.
output device?
Yes.
CPU.
Oh, CPU. CPU is
नहीं.
output device.
मैम प्रिंटर.
हाँ,
हाँ,
printer is
printer.
output. CPU थोड़ी होता है output device.
Speaker.
Then we call it as
Speaker.
Oh, fine. Then next is speaker. ये आपको normally it will be coming for only one mark. That is a speaker output device or input device. Like this question can come. Is it okay? Printer is an output device or input device. True, false. Like this it comes. Okay. Then we can write it headsets. Then we have LCD.
Projector.
Huh?
Projector.
Like this. Projectors लिखना था. Projectors. Skipping. Okay. Then after input devices, we have. Wait. Have you listened to these terms like this? Processing devices.
Yes, ma'am.
इसमें आएगा आपने जो बोला अभी. Processing devices. कौन से होते हैं?
RAM, ROM, CPU.
RAM. Are you sure? We are talking
Yes,
about
ma'am.
hardware components. Fine, no?
ma'am.
ये आपके memory और storage devices में आएगा.
मैं ये सॉफ्टवेयर है.
ये memories और storage devices के terms हैं. This is, इसमें लिखोगे आप motherboard. Got it?
graphic card,
Speak loudly. Then you can write this video card. Then you can write
graphic card,
sound card. Is it fine? Next turn comes, this is output device. Now we'll be talking about memory or storage devices. ये सब hardware components का part है. Fine. We call it as memory or storage devices. Can anyone name? अब बोलो.
RAM,
Yes, very right.
ROM,
हाँ, RAM,
RAM,
फिर ROM,
ROM,
ओके, और हार्ड डिस्क.
yes ma'am,
हाँ, हार्ड डिस्क ठीक है. फ्लॉपी डिस्क देखी हुई है. अब तो यूज नहीं होती,
Yes,
कम
yes.
होती यूज. फ्लॉपी डिस्क ड्राइव. देन सीडी. इसको क्या कहते हैं? फुल
DVD,
फॉर्म क्या है?
scan disk,
हाँ,
scan disk,
सीडी को we call CD as scan disk? No, it is compact disk.
compact, oh,
Compact disk. ये लिखा क्यों नहीं जा रहा? I don't know. यहाँ पे लिख रही हूँ CD. Okay, ये it is part of output device, right? At this. Okay, then CD, then we can write it up. Then next is
DVD,
storage device में देखो बेटा, ये जो है ना आपका, this can be part of storage device, pen drive. Okay, then your memory card. Fine. Any doubt in this? You can learn up these points. Learn or not?
yes, ma'am.
You can learn or not?
learn ma'am,
अच्छा, एक और भी डिवाइसेस होते हैं, लाइक इनपुट और उसको आउटपुट दोनों ही कहा जाता है, पता है आपको? विच इज दैट? आइदर इनपुट और आउटपुट, कुछ भी कह लो. व्हाट इज दैट? This device can function both as input as well as for output. What is that?
Projector,
हाँ, ये सुना है?
projector,
Have you listened to
projector,
that?
ma'am.
हाँ.
Projector,
Network interface. Okay.
मैम ये फर्स्ट वाला क्या है?
Modem is used actually at the time of the net. अभी इसको आपके friends आपको they can explain in better way, जिनको technical, जिन्होंने ATM बनाया था, that
Wi-Fi
why
का
for
होना
what it is needed actually.
है। Wi-Fi the
हाँ, this is what you have said now. Now next turn comes multimedia devices.
मैम राउटर को मॉडेम बोलते हैं,
क्या?
राउटर को बोलते हैं मॉडेम.
I'm not able to understand. Chat box में लिखो. We can write in chat box. बेटा multimedia devices. Speaker use करते हो ना उसमें? Then we use CD, ROM. This is then like sound card. Then digital camera. ये सारे multimedia devices हैं. Camera. So now you have to, उसके बाद last हमारे पास आते हैं, ये सब हमने component that connectivity devices आपने यूज किए थे ना बेटा? You have used that connectivity devices. कौन से होते हैं? इन्हीं में से words हैं. The words we have written till time, it's the same. कौन से हैं? कनेक्टिविटी किससे होती? केबल्स से करते नहीं हो?
नेट मैम, नेटवर्क से वाईफाई कनेक्ट करना होता है।
हम लोग केबल से करते हैं डिवाइस, आप लोग ब्लूटूथ भी यूज करते हो ना? करते हो कि नहीं?
वाईफाई
इंफ्रारेड सुना है? याद है?
yes,
ब्लूटूथ,
यस मैम।
ये सब कनेक्टिविटी डिवाइसेस हैं।
वाईफाई रह गया मैम।
अच्छा हाँ, वाईफाई रह गया जी, वाईफाई लिख लो। ओके, टिल दिस विल यू बी एबल टू मैनेज? कोई वर्ड्स या कुछ भी नहीं क्लियर हो रहा है, यू कैन गो थ्रू your Google and you can search it out, you can go through its explanation, but overall whatever will be there, that will be whatever will be asked, that will be actually that these are that write to write free output devices, what are processing devices, name them, multimedia devices, input output devices, like this. It can come for 1 mark. Is it fine? Is it fine?